Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday, Shivanthi. Live, Laugh, Love, Polish. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by TTYL 1970s and Nail Gems. And our theme was Fancy French. Guys, I'm so excited. I've started off with Nailtique's Formula 2, and here is L'Oreal. And this is Bubble Trouble. Very, very sheer, jelly-ish type polish. And, well, I just call it's straight up jelly. And it's very sheer, and that's perfect for this manicure. And here we go. Gonna get that on there. Got an excellent formula, and these are so old. These are like really old in my collection. So happy to have them. There it is. Looking so pretty. Love it just like that. I am gonna top this with I&M out the door. Gonna get it to dry down really well because we need it to, you know, not get messed up when I go to stamp on it. And I did let these like completely, totally, like they were totally dry. Totally. Kept that free edge again with the top coat. Ta-da! And here is a swatch photo of that on its own. And I am going to go in with Maniology Sticky Base Coat because I do not want to have any issues with this not sticking when I stamp it, because this is a French tip design. Maniology M327 is our stamping plate, and Coffee by SheModern on their sticky stamping polishes. And we're going to just pick out an image and or the right size for, you know, the nail, and scrape it, pick it up, and I'm going to go in with a little piece of tape to remove the pieces I don't want. I just want the straight up French tip part of it. And this would have looked way better on much longer nails, but I don't have that, so we're working with what we got. Okay, got to line this up. Trying to pay attention. Focus, girl. And there we go. It's a deep French. I'm going to clean off my stamper on the lint roller. I'm going to clean that plate off with some acetone, and we're going to do this again. I like to double stamp just to get the opaqueness that I want. And so I'm going to give that another scrapey scrape. And then roll it to pick it up and get that excess off of there. And I do want to play with these plates more because I know the more I play with them, the better I'll get. But whew, it's not something I grab. You know, I don't just gravitate towards this. Like, I'm always worried I'm going to mess it up. You know. Alright, so I'm going to clean my stamping plate off with some acetone. And I'm wiping it with the lint-free wipe to get the fogginess off of it. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and do just a little bit of cleanup around the edges here. And I know you can see the little gap with my free edge down there, but it's okay because I've got more going on here. I am going to top these with the smudge-free top coat. And I'm not going to say that I did perfect on these, but we're going to keep going. The Lace Collection from MoU London. I believe this is 01. And I'll be using Bam White from Maniology for this. Got my little Maniology scraper out. And I'm going to use one of these flower images to go across my French. My fancy French. This is what's making it fancy. Gonna give that a scrape and roll it, pick it up, and of course getting some of the excess off. I've got to work a little faster because this is not the SheModern sticky stamping polish. And then I'm going to kind of loop this onto the end of my French tip here and up one side of the nail. Tap down any flyaways. Clean off that stamper again. And then we're going to clean the plate off and get ready to do another one. All right. And I just really thought this would be a fun, kind of different French tip manicure for me. I had lots of ideas, so we might visit some of those other ideas in future manicures because I just had all kinds of cool ideas rolling through my head. I had to flip my thumb around to see how it was facing. Make sure I'm doing this right. Here we go. We're going to plop these on all of the nails just like that. They're all going to be the same. For once, I'm not going to have like an accent nail. They're all accent nails. Oh, it works out good for me though. And I really, really like this one. And guys, I've got even more coming up on this. That's why this video is just a little bit longer. Because I don't end the playing with just the stamping. Oh no, we're going to take it a little bit further. Going to do just a little bit more extra. Get this last one stamped on there. And then we're going to clean up our mess here. Get our little stamping plate clean and our little mat and the card and everything. Going to get all this stuff cleaned up so I can put it away. Try to be careful so I don't mess up my manicure. Wiping it over with a lint-free wipe just to get some of that fogginess off of there. I like to put them away clean. And I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and get some of the excess up off of my skin here. Some of that white stamping polish. And now for the cleanup brush and some acetone. So far I'm liking it. I hope you're liking it too. Okay, we're going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology and get that to dry down. And then I'll be using this Orly bonder. I'm going to put a little bit out on my mat. It's an older bottle. It's getting low and kind of thick. And I've got some little like golden or yellow fake rhinestone looking things. And I'm going to put them in the center of the flower zone. The rest of all of these. I'm going to do all of them. And I'm just using Woody to pick them up and place them today. Couldn't find my wax stick, so I just didn't even bother. I just went ahead and used something that was sitting out. Gonna tap those down into place. And I do hope you guys will go over to Instagram and check out the other fancy French manicures over there to help Shivanthi celebrate her birthday. I should have a hashtag and maybe even a list of participants down in the description box there for you if you'd like to go check them out. I can't wait to see what everybody else does. And I love the collage. I always love seeing everything all together. It's going to be very fun. There we go. Get some more of that little sticky base. Or stick, because that's the Orly bonder is a sticky base. It's kind of like the other stuff. But I figured since that one was older and kind of a little thicker, that I could use it as a stone setter here for me. Get them in there. And it's just a couple of them on each nail. And I'm going to cover them up really well so that they don't get snagged on my hair or clothing or anything. And that kind of stuff just wears me out. That's why I don't do a lot of embellishments. Because I work with my hands and I don't want to be losing rhinestones everywhere. But here we go for the last two. We're going to get them on there. Woody's being very helpful for this step, by the way. Good job, Woody. Alright, got them all on there. I'm going to use the Glitter Gal Gemstone top coat. That's kind of a mouthful. And I'm just going over the gemstones. This is a good top coat for that because it doesn't fog them up. And then once that's dry, I'm going in with Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. That's my final top coat today. Giving it a good swipe over, making it thick and glossy. I've got a clump on the back of the brush. I'm going to have to wipe that off on my paper towel. Getting on my nerves. Okay. Alright. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Get all this mess cleaned up for my mom. And here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this one. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.